What's good, staffers? Welcome back for another video. Today's video we'll be looking at about my stock portfolio for the month of May. And then yeah, so let's get this video started. What's good, staffers? So yeah, as you guys know, I'm doing the $5,000 Robinhood challenge, and I started it back in March. I think March. So I started back in March, and right now it's not going too good. As you guys know, I started with 5,000, and right now I'm going to show you guys what my account's saying at right now. Trust me, it's not really going good, but I expected that, you know. I didn't expect to just right off the bat just go straight up. You know, the stock market doesn't shoot up all the way, even though it's been doing that for the past couple of months. We'll still have some downtrend on the market. Eventually I've been getting caught on the bad side of the market, but yeah, so we're gonna go hop in my portfolio, we're gonna take a look at it, and then yeah. All right, so I'll go and grab my phone right now. I'm going to open up Robinhood. As you guys can see, open up Robinhood right now. Boom, I'm in there. When you log into my account, the first thing you see is that a margin call. Yeah, it's that bad. It's been going that. I've been going down that road. A margin call technically is when you technically borrow money from your broker, and then you use that money to trade, and so that way you have more buying power. But instead of doing good in stock market, you're doing bad. So your value been going down bad. Then now the broker is asking for the money back because they see that you don't have enough money in your portfolio to support the amount of money that you borrow from them. That's technically what a margin is. What a margin call is. But what happened is that they'll automatically just sell some of your shares unless you put money in your portfolio or in your brokerage account. What they do is they'll automatically sell some of your shares that you have, so that way they could cover the cost of their margin or whatever. So that's what a margin call is. And remember I told you guys that I'm not putting any more money in the market. My max was 5,000 and that was it. I'm not putting no more money on Robinhood, but I still put money in my older accounts where I participate, like where I actually buy real stocks. These right here are just like penny stocks and small stocks. Technically it's trying to hit a home run here and there, but yeah, so let's go and take a look at it. As you guys know, I started this account with $5,000, and let me see, I started it, let me see, and I think March 11th, yeah, around March. So yeah, March 11th, yeah, 5,128, as you can see right now. That's when I started the account. And then from there, right now I'm sitting at $3,383 and 94 cents, which is bad. For the past year, you can see that I'm down 32% from my portfolio. For the past month, well, actually, I should start from the month. Yeah, so for the past 3 months, you can see I'm down 34%. So if I go on May 11th, then take this all the way throughout here, it's actually 33%. You guys probably get what exactly I'm trying to say, but I'm down about over 30% of my portfolio. In the past 3 months, the past month I'm down 24%. Last week I was down 10%, and then as you can see for the day, today's a Saturday, it says that I'm up $75 or whatever. But yeah, so let's get into my portfolio right now. So first, to start off, I have QYLD. This one I was given that share. I think when I don't remember how I got that share, to be honest, but I think it was because somebody used my link to sign up. Yeah, I thought somebody used my link to sign up and then I got it, but I don't remember, to be honest. But that's the only shares that I have in my portfolio that actually pay me dividend. I think they pay a monthly dividend. I'm not too sure. I don't remember. Let me see, March 30th. I'm not too sure, but that's the only stocks that I have in my portfolio that pay me a dividend. And yeah, so that's it right there. QYLD. And then another stock that I have is OEG. Remember that shares, that stocks right here, I bought 100 shares of it. Right now I'm down to about 92 because of not margin call. So when margin call happened, what happened is they automatically just sell some of your shares. As you can see right here, I bought it on March 16th, and then on April 16th, that was my first margin call. Yep. And April 16th, that was my first margin call. And then April 22nd, that was my second margin call. So technically I'm on my third margin call right now. But yeah, so that's what comes with it. As you can see, it's high. It's really volatile right here. It's really high. And but yeah, so I'm still holding on to this stock till about July. Then I decide to sell my stocks and start over, because those are very risky stocks, and I've been thinking about possibly getting to some more like a safer type of stock. But this portfolio on Robinhood is mainly for risky trades. But as you can see, they have earnings being reported on the 17th of this month, which should be pretty good based on the earnings. What happened is, as you can see, they've been beating earnings lately. Oh no, they haven't been beating earnings. But yeah, so we're gonna see what happened. I may sell those stocks afterwards just to see, but then again, we'll see what's up. But yeah, so as you can see, I'm down 30% just on this stock alone. BNGO, I'm down 35% from it. They also have earnings coming up on the 13th. So yeah, most of my stocks will have earnings by the end of this month. So by next month, it depends how the earnings go. By next month, I'll probably sell some of them, or I'll probably keep holding on to them. But as you can see, I have 92 shares. Originally, I had bought 100 shares, but because of my margin calls, they sold a couple of shares right here. And now I'm at 92 shares with $8.43 average, and right now it's at 5.45, and I'm down over 35%, a little bit over 35% total for my return. And then the next one we have is Sundial, SNDL. As you can see, 208 shares. I think I bought more of this, trying to average down. Right now I'm sitting at $1.40 per shares, and I'm down over a little bit over 44%. But I think they also have earnings coming on this month. They also have earnings coming this month as well. But I did buy a little bit more because I had a little bit more buying power. It was only like $32, which is giving me about like 32 shares, I think. But the first time I bought it was 200 shares, and then second times I bought it 25 shares, and so I was like 225, and then they sold some of my shares because of margin. So now I'm saying that 25 shares, sorry, I'm saying that 208 shares on the average cost at 1.4, and right now it's at 77 cents. I'm down over a little bit over 44% on there. Now I have OGI, yeah, Organigram, sitting at 92 shares at $3.93 average cost per shares. I'm losing a little bit over 31% of my money on there, and I think they do have, nope, they don't have earnings coming in this month, but they have earnings coming in very soon, 2 months from now. I don't know if I'll be able to hold on to this, but we'll see. And then APXT, Apex Technology, this one I'm most likely will be holding on to. This one, that's my favorite, one of my favorite shares right now. Right now I have 92 shares sitting at $12.60, down a little bit over 19%. But I think they do have earnings coming on in July, I think. Oh, I'm not sure. Oh, look like they don't have earnings coming in. But yeah, that is one of my favorite shares right now, and I'm still holding this share. I don't know how long I'll be holding it for, but yeah, I'm holding on to this one. IDEX also have earnings coming. Let me see. Yep, they also have earnings coming on this month. As you can see, most of my stocks will have earnings coming this month. So we'll see how it goes when it comes to earnings. If it's good earnings, then if it's positive, then most likely it'll go up. But the stock market been acting up lately, really. Even good earnings report come out, they're still on the downtrend. But we'll see how this one go. I'm sitting at 92 shares with a $2.95 average. Right now it's at $2.62. So I'm down a little bit, over 11%. I think this one was up recently, last week. They were up. Yeah. So as you can see from here, so from April 20th to like the 28th, they were up about like 31%. I was happy because I was above my average cost. So like 311 was the highest, and I got in at 295. So I was up a little bit, but then again it started coming back to a downtrend. So Medica, this one right here, who knows? They also have earnings coming on the 14th. They did release one of their project. We're gonna see if they actually made some sales, made some profit from there. And as you can see right now, also the margin call took me out, since still saying that 92 shares. Well, sorry, saying that 186 shares. But I remember I had bought like 200 shares, I think, when I got it. Let me see. I bought in 50 shares. Let me double check. Yeah, so so I got in there. I bought 100 shares at first, and then I bought another 50 shares, and then I bought 50 shares. Yeah, so I've been going in Zomedica, but I think they hit the bottom right now. At the bottom, I think it was like 70 cents or whatever, and I think they probably hit it. When did it hit 70 cents? Yep, last month, April 20th, which is like last week. They hit the bottom, but right now I'm hoping this right here is a what do you call that? W. I really forget what the name of it, but I'm really hoping this one is a W and for it to take off. But yeah, next one we have is FTFT, Future Fintech. I think this one have earnings coming in a little bit over 2 months, a little bit under 2 months from now. Well, 2 months exact to be exact, close to it. But yeah, 2 months from now they're gonna have earnings coming in. Most likely we'll hold on to this pair. I love this pair as well. And yeah, they haven't sold any of my shares, which is I'm happy about. But as you can see, I'm still down over 43% on this one. It's just crazy. And then right here, my favorite pairs of all time, golden nuggets right now. Right now, sitting at $16 average cost with 50 shares. And as you can see, I'm down a little bit over 15%. And I think they have earnings coming up as well. I think this earnings will be positive on this one, because as you guys know that they've been having the sport. There's been a lot of sport game going on. So remember, this year is an online betting company. So with all the sports that just passed, people bet online for games and stuff like that. So I'm hoping the earnings will be positive for this one, and also I'm hoping that it will, and I'm hoping that it'll actually help, but yeah. So right now, as you can see, that's all the shares that I have right now for the month of May, and my account portfolio saying that $3,383.94. That's a lot of threes. And yeah, right now I'm currently in the margin call. I could put, as you can see right now, it says I've been issues of $171 margin call. It's either I deposit more money or I sell stocks. I could put more money in there, but I'm not. I'm really not. I don't plan on putting any more money in this portfolio. I don't plan on averaging down nothing unless I have the buying power from my options, in which I've been taking beating options as well. So anyways, yeah, so you guys get the point. I've been taking a lot of beating from trading on Robinhood. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm really hoping I can get this account to 50,000 by the end of this year. So I got about 7 months to go. 7 months. We'll see how it goes. I did make some stupid decision when I first started by just buying 100 shares, 50 shares, without looking at stuff. But hey, it happened. But we'll see how it goes from there. So yeah, that's it, you guys. That's it for my portfolio for this month. Thank you guys for watching the whole video, if you did watch the whole video. And yeah, I know I'm going ghost right now, but I still want to make this video update for you guys. And I know today's the 8th, or when I'm recording this video. It's probably gonna come out next week, but next month I will try to record this video earlier, for the month of June. I will try to record this video and probably release it the first week of June, so that way you guys will be able to see it, and I'll be able to keep it up. I'll be able to keep up to date as early as possible. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and also share this video with your friends, family, and whoever, so they can see how I'm taking the beat down. But hey, you live and you learn. Thank you.